Welcome back to AppBoxStudio tutorials. In this video we just want to go through some of the options here, some of these small icons to show you what they do. So here it shows you the page on this screen here. So all you have to do is click that I button and it will go to the page that we're on and show you what the page is. Now if you want to give a QR code directly to the page, you can just click the QR code here. You can right click and download the QR code to your computer and then put it wherever you want, on a poster or flyer or whatever. Here it gives you the direct link to this page that people will go to, so you can send them that. And if we come up here to options, let me show you what you can do here. So again, you can get the QR code. Here you can get redirect codes. So for example, if you wanted to redirect someone directly to this page from another standard web page, all you do is you copy this code and you're going to put it into the page that you want mobile visitors to be redirected to this one. So you copy that and put that snippet below this tag here in the web page that you want mobile visitors to be redirected to. Okay, so it's going to be after that tag here, the head tag, but obviously before the closing head tag, which has a backslash there. Okay, so that's to redirect people directly to this page. Now here we've got all the app settings. Let's click this and show you what we've got here. So this is quite interesting. So if you wanted to point a CNAME, now if this gets a little bit technical for some people, don't worry too much about it, but basically it's to have a domain redirected so it automatically goes to your web app. Then you can do that by pointing the CNAME here. You just put the domain and then point the CNAME to that. You select the language, the time zone, and the social share. Here you can decide which of the social icon buttons will appear, and you can show the count. That will be how many people have shared, and whether it's just icons or not. Of course, you can also select the size. Here we've got another link for tracking codes, so you can track. There we go. So you can put tracking codes in the head and after the body tag. That will enable you to use anything like Google Analytics and so forth. If you know JavaScript and want to put any JavaScript in, then you can do so here. And the same goes for CSS styling. If you know how to use those, then feel free to use them. I'd always do a backup if I were you, which I'll show you in a second, so that you can, just in case you make mistakes. And that's those options there, so we'll close that without saving. Now you can download the app to your computer and then have it show on your own domain, so you can actually upload the whole app to another domain. The only thing that I must say, if you do that, then the internal data and statistics here won't work, because that only works if the apps are actually being hosted by us. Remember, hosting is completely free on all plans. So if you wanted to download an app and upload it to a web server somewhere, then the option is there, and you can use your own tracking through Google Analytics or your web server and so forth. Otherwise, virtually everything will work. Now, if you build a template app, then what you can do is just click the duplicate button, and this will clone it so that you don't have to build every single page again. So if you build a web app for a particular type of business, say a restaurant, all you need to do is duplicate it, and then you'll change the heading and the content, and you don't need to start building from scratch. It's a really fast way of of creating a mobile web app, whatever that mobile web app is, and it means that you can show a template app to a prospect and then just duplicate it so they're getting exactly what you showed them, with just different content and their logo and so forth. Obviously, if you want to duplicate, all you have to do is just click the one button. It will then duplicate it and change all the settings. And then finally, you can delete an app here. Just click delete and it will delete the whole app. Obviously be careful, otherwise once it's gone, it's gone. And we've also got a little help here, that we've got a help page that you'll see with these tutorials in the main membership area. Okay, so that's it for this video. Look forward to seeing you in the next one.